Have you ever noticed how some people walk into a room and without saying much, they are taken seriously? And then there are people who are thoughtful, capable, even kind. But somehow they get interrupted, ignored, or quietly underestimated. If that happens to you, it does not always mean people dislike you, and it does not mean you are weak. More often, it means people are reacting to signals you are sending before you even realize it. Because respect is rarely something people wait weeks to decide. In many cases, it starts in the first few moments, the first pause, the first sentence, the way you hold your body, the way you respond when there is pressure. Subscribe if you're ready to upgrade your mind, and press the bell icon, because the next video might be the one that changes how you see yourself forever. People pick up on all of it, and that is actually good news, because if respect can be lost quickly, it can also be built quickly. The first shift is this: speak less, but speak better. A lot of people think respect comes from saying more, explaining more, proving more. But over-explaining often has the opposite effect. It can make you seem unsure of your own position, as if you need other people to confirm that your words matter. But when you speak clearly, briefly, and with intention, something changes. People lean in. Your words feel more valuable because they are not spilling everywhere. The second shift is learning to stop being afraid of silence. Most people rush to fill silence because it makes them uncomfortable. They laugh too quickly, explain too fast, or soften their point before it has time to land. But silence has a strange psychological power. When you pause instead of rushing, when you let a sentence breathe, when you do not panic and try to rescue every quiet moment, you communicate something rare: composure. And composure often gets read as confidence. Silence, used well, makes people feel that you are centered enough not to perform for approval. The third shift is boundaries. This is where a lot of respect quietly disappears. If you say yes too quickly, agree too often, and make yourself endlessly available, people may appreciate you, but they don't always value you. Because value needs shape. It needs limits. Sometimes respect begins with very small sentences. Not right now. I'll think about it. I can't do that today. That is not cold. That is not selfish. That is self-respect in a visible form. And people notice it. The fourth shift happens before you even open your mouth. Your body language. Your body speaks first. If your posture is collapsed, your movements are rushed, and your eyes keep avoiding people, you may be communicating discomfort without meaning to. But when you slow down, keep your posture upright, hold calm eye contact, and move with less urgency, you send a different message. You signal that you are not trying to disappear. You are comfortable occupying space, and that changes how people respond to you. So the real trick is not becoming harsher. It is not pretending to be dominant. And it is not manipulating anyone. It is learning to stop sending signals of self-doubt. Speak with intention. Use silence. Set limits. Let your body stop apologizing for your presence. Because people do not respect you just because you are nice. They respect you when they can feel that you respect yourself. And the moment you stop chasing approval, something shifts. Your presence becomes clearer, your energy becomes steadier, and people start treating you differently, not because you became someone else, but because you stopped shrinking in front of them. So ask yourself this: where in your life are you still over-explaining, over-giving, or making yourself smaller just to be accepted? And what would change if just once you acted like your presence already deserved respect? This script psychology is anchored in research on thin slice first impressions, nonverbal dominance, submissiveness cues, assertiveness and boundaries, and silence as an active social signal rather than empty space.